Do you know that this video you are watching on the screen is a fake background? Yes, come closer. So before I proceed, subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post good content, you will be able to see it. Now, let's dive into what we are doing today. Most movies you are seeing today, when you talk about Titanic, you talk about 300, most of them were shot on a background. They were shot on a hall that is covered with green screen. Green screen helps you to change your background to any design you want. Today, I will introduce you to green screen and changing of your background. So, come on, let's check in.
Welcome to the other side of the video. Now, how does this work? This is my auntie that I am shooting our church morning devotion for, and I decided to shoot on a green screen. This is what I did. This is the image that I've shot. Look at it.
In the name of Jesus, I speak prophetically today that today shall be a day of joy.
So now look at it. So for me to take off this background, this is what I will do. I'll go to my effect. This is my effect here. This is my effect here. So there are tons of effect here. So what I will do is I will type Kia. Then I enter. Once I type Kia to all my videos, so what I'll do, I'll just drag it to this image. Once I drag it, it's gone. The background is gone. So what do I do? Then I come here. Since I have my background here, I bring my background in. You understand? I bring my background in. Since the background is gone, the green screen is gone, what happened? I bring my background in. Now look at it. The background is gone, and this is the new background that I have. So for those that will be saying, how did you do this? So definitely look at you can go to Google, search for any image. Now look at this. You can download this image. Then I've downloaded the image, then I can just trace it. Look at the image here. Now I can bring it down to my final cut. So what do? I drag, I put it down here. You see it? Look at the image that I dragged to this place, and look at it. I'll drag this background. Take an instance, I don't need the other background. I bring it here and make sure it gets to the edges. Now look at, then I can turn this one off. The previous image. Look at it. Voila. Look at it. But I can still work on the background. I'll make sure it's full. Make sure it's full. Look at it now. Now play.
In the discussion, before you know that functionality and beauty are very important to architects. They are like beautiful places that are conducive for living.
Voila. This is it. Now this is where you can control your background. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. So you can strengthen it to clean up the green screen, and also when we talk about background changing, if it's like this, it's too sharp, I can just come back to my effect again. I come back to my effect again. I come back to my effect and search for blur. I'll go for blur. When I click on my blur, I can pick this to make sure the image look somehow but not that fine. Then what will I do? I will reduce it to make it kind of a little bit blur. Then you have a nice background.
Work and creation. As an architect, there are so many things we just play down, but an architect take notice or take very important, the lead to the basis of everything that matters. And that's why God told us clearly that even the hair on our head is number.
You see it?
That tells you that God is the maker. In number everything. You are so important. I'm so important. God took time to design you, design your life, your destiny, your plan, everything about you.
So this is how to change background. Since I don't need this, I have been shooting with this background for a long time. Then I activate this back. This is beautiful. Then maybe some other time I'll talk about color grading. Now look at it. I have already color graded this effect here. Then once I just drag and drop, voila, it gives me my nice background. From here you will see it. You see it. Now look at.
May God bless you in the name of Jesus.
Look at how beautiful.
May the mercies of God and the goodness of God follow you every day of your life. In the name of Jesus. I speak prophetically today that today shall be a day of joy, a day of celebration, a day of glory, a day of honor.
This is how to change your background using Final Cut software. I hope you have learned a lot. Thank you very much. See you in the other video.
Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell because a lot is coming.